Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this very simple but dramatic wings. Now what I mean by that is basically using simple eyeshadows on the lid, but also creating quite a dramatic wing. So the eyeshadows I've used is the Makeup Gallery All About the Shadows eyeshadow quad. And this is a nude gold one, and this is only £1, and I find the quality of these eyeshadows are really good, and these are nice for everyday wear. I've also used the e.l.f. eyeliner in shimmering gold. Sort of the first time I've used this, and it's come out more metallic than it actually has shimmery. Now I wasn't too sure how I thought about these eyes, so they're not perfect, but so I was playing around and having a little bit of fun. Now I would do this in a voiceover, but unfortunately due to the technical faults with my laptop, I can't plug a microphone in there at the moment. So I'm just gonna have to speak as I go along. So I'm gonna show you guys how I created these eyes. So if you guys are gonna enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know how I created these simple but dramatic wings, just keep watching. Alright guys, so I've already primed my lid with a bit of concealer and used a bit of setting powder. So the first shade I'm going to go in is this goldeny shade right here, so the shimmery golden colour. Just going to grab that, just going to grab that on a Superdrug Studio brush. I'm going to grab that colour and I'm just going to buff and apply this in the crease. So bringing it around here and bringing it outwards. So just about here, not bringing it too outwards. And I'm literally just going to add and build that colour up and then using it in buffing motions. Just to bring the colour out and blend it out. Right, I'm now going to grab this colour here, which is the slightly darker brown colour. So it's this one here. Just going to grab that on a angled brush. And I'm going to start placing that colour right on the outer edge. Outer edge here and pretty much bringing it halfway. So we can add a little bit of depth, but not too much depth. Go back in with that colour, that first colour, and just buff it in. So blending that colour together. Right, I'm going to grab that very subtle white cream colour. Just going to grab that. I'm literally just going to use my finger. And I'm not going to make this too pigmented, it's just a little wash of colour on the lid. So I'm only going to bring this halfway across. Okay, I'm now going to start creating the wing. So I'm going to grab the darkest brown here in the palette. I'm going to grab that one. Just going to use a little eyeliner brush I got from Maybelline gel eyeliner set. Just going to grab that colour. It doesn't have to be perfect because I can use concealer to sketch out the line. Okay, I'll start by drawing the line. Then when I'm happy with that shape, I will then just start going downwards, but I will go quite high down. So I'll go here, pretty much here, so half across the lid. When you've drawn that shape, it's best just to go over it a couple of times so the brown can stand out a bit, so it's not so faded. I'm just going to go use a little small flat brush, picking up some concealer, and what I'm going to do is if there's any lines that need thinning out, you can just use concealer just to sort of sharpen out the lines if you wanted to, also use that to go inside the line here. Because as we were drawing the line, we're sort of losing the gap, because you want a bit of gap there to fill in your eyeliner. So I'm just going a little bit inside. Okay, so when you feel happy with that, I'm just going to grab my e.l.f. eyeliner. This is the, say, glitter liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Shimmering Gold. So it's like a bronzy gold. It's really, really pretty. So I'm just going to fill it in the inside now. You could use concealer to fill all of it in if you wanted to, if you're going to decide to go for a lighter eyeliner, so you want it to stand out, because I know with these darker colours you won't be able to see it, but this is quite a dark colour anyway, so I don't need to do it. So I'm gonna start filling it in. Okay, this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to use a little bit of this Collection Glam Crystals eyeliner in the shade Funk, and I'm going to add just a little bit of that on top. So this is where the brown line is. I'm going to place it above the brown line. So I'm going to just go. Okay, for the waterline, I'm going to grab the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Stargazer. This is a bright golden colour. I'm going to add this to the waterline. Alrighty, so I'm just going to grab a little bit more of that darker brown colour that we used for the eyeliner. Just grabbing the same brush, and I'm going to run this colour now underneath. And then I'm just going to grab that brush with that lighter brown colour, just that same brush. I'm just going to lightly blend it out, but I'm not bringing it too low down. Right, I'm going to go back in with that matte white cream colour now. Just going to add a bit of that in the inner corner and apply a little bit of this under the brow bone. And to finish the look off, we're just going to add a little bit of mascara. This is the Benefit Badgal Bang Mascara. And we're just going to finish it off with some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, this isn't the best eyes that I've done, but I did want to do something a little bit different, something a bit creative, and mainly something a little bit fun. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!